Hi, my name is Stevenathu. I'm in year 2 and this is my talking clock project. I made a clock using paper. It has hour numbers and 2 hands, one full hour and one full minutes. Let me show you some times on my clock. First is 7 o'clock. The hour hand is on 7 and the minute hand is on 12. That means 0 minute. Now it's 3:30. The hour hand is between 3 and 4. The hour hand is between 3 and 4 and the minute hand is on 6, which means 30 minutes. I love showing different times and moving the clock hand. It helps me understand how the minute and the hour hand works together. Thank you for watching.